Situated in the southern Caribbean Sea, Aruba is widely known as a hotspot for bachelor parties and romantic getaways. But beyond the nightlife and luxury resorts, this beautiful island is also a relaxing and enjoyable destination for family vacations. Today, we're taking you to five family friendly activities that bring you closer to the unique nature and culture of this tropical paradise. The first activity on our list is beach hopping. From the calm, shadow waters of Baby Beach to the gently rolling waves of Arashi Beach, Aruba constantly surprises visitors with its turquoise waters and powdery white sand. If you enjoy snorkeling, my personal favorite is Catalina Beach, where colorful schools of fish often swim right around you. And if you're looking for a quiet escape away from the crowds, Rogers Beach in the south offers peaceful seclusion while still boasting the same pristine sand and crystal clear water. For beach lovers, Aruba truly is a paradise. The second activity is exploring the island's historic ruins and natural wonders. Our first stop is Bushiribana Gold Mine Ruins, the remains of a former gold processing facility on the island. The mill was built in 1825 by Aruba Island Gold Mining Company to extract gold from ore mined in the nearby hills of Cerro Plata. The operation ran for about 10 years and today stands as a fascinating reminder of Aruba's gold mining past. Just a couple of miles south, you'll encounter one of the island's most impressive natural sights, the Aruba Natural Bridge. The dramatic limestone formation was carved by powerful winds and relentless ocean waves. Over thousands of years, the sea slowly sculpted cliffs into bridge-like shape visitors see today. The largest and most famous bridge once stood between the Bushirubana ruins and Adikuri Beach, but it collapsed in 2005. What you see today is the remaining formation nearby, which can easily be reached by ATV tours, mountain biking, or even horseback riding. And the good news is, you don't necessarily need a four-wheel drive vehicle. A regular rental car can still get you here. After leaving the natural bridge and heading southwest inland, you'll arrive at our third destination for a fun family road trip, Arikok National Park. The road into the park can be long and a bit bumpy, with plenty of speed bumps along the way. But once you're inside, the journey becomes well worth it. The park is home to a variety of natural attractions and cultural heritage sites, including ancient indigenous rock drawings and unusual landscapes formed from lava, quartz, and limestone. One of our favorite experiences here was hiking up Mount Arikok and exploring caves filled with impressive stalactites and stalagmites. This is a fantastic way to enjoy the island's rugged interior, catch some refreshing breeze away from the coast, and add a bit of educational adventure to your family trip. The next stop on our list of family-friendly activities is the donkey sanctuary. Donkeys were once the main form of transportation for island residents. But as cars became more common, these hardworking animals were gradually left behind on what used to be cactus-lined paths across the island. Today, the sanctuary is the home to more than 100 rescued donkeys, each with its unique color and personality. These gentle and affectionate animals love attention and are perfect for petting and interacting with. At the gift shop, you can even buy donkey treats for just $1 a bucket and bring them along as you explore the park. The donkeys roam freely, so you'll find them happily wandering over for a snack. We found this experience relaxing and soothing, and at times quite amusing, especially some donkeys became a little persistent when treats were involved. The last stop on our list of family-friendly activities is a visit to the Aloe Museum, located on the northern part of the island. Beyond its stunning beaches, Aruba has the ideal climate and soil for growing aloe vera. The museum offers a fascinating look at the history of aloe production in Aruba, along with the shop where you can browse some of their finest aloe-based product. You can book a free tour on their website, but it is also walking friendly, and no purchase is required to join the tour. The tour was both informative and entertaining, a great way to learn about the medicinal value of aloe vera while also getting a behind-the-scenes look at the manufacturing process. Those are the 5 family-friendly activities we have for you in Aruba. I hope you have a wonderful time here, and I will see you in the next video.